Model, 2017 Mercedes Sprinter 314 CDI long. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 227,373. MOT, the 22nd of June 2024. Engine, 2143 CCOM 651 140 HPM I2B. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Headgasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurising. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Dill pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is below average. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Features, electric windows, cruise control. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £8,950. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.